Hello everyone, welcome back to CAD NEST YouTube channel. This is Arshia working as a computer trainer in CAD NEST Malleshwaram branch. So in today's video I am going to discuss about Tally. Tally stands for transactions allowed in a linear line yards. Tally it is an accounting software in which we record day-to-day business transactions. Example, sales, purchase, receipt, payment, etc. Tally software is famous for accounting in India as well as in other countries. And it is owned by a multinational company, Tally Solution Private Limited. The company headquarters is located in Bangalore city of India. In our institution, we will teach Tally Prime update software of Tally ERP9 Enterprise Resource Planning. So first we will discuss about Introduction to Tally Prime. Tally Prime is complete business management software for small and medium business. Tally Prime helps you to manage accounting, inventory, banking and taxation. Advantages of Tally Prime. Tally Prime is more simple and easy to use while doing transactions and more speedy and powerful transaction, reliable and efficient transactions, flexible for future ready. And Tally Prime is better version of Tally ERP9, that means Enterprise Resource Planning. Then next come to features of Tally Prime. So Tally Prime is enable you to record invoicing and accounting, managing multiple companies such as multiple godowns, multi-currency, cost center and cost categories, GST invoice and billings, taxation, and even to record inventory management, and even we can go through credit and cash flow management. In Tally Prime we will cover billing, inventory management, cost center management, payroll preparation, multi-currency functions, taxation, GST, banking and filings reporting, etc. And it is best accounting course. We will get more chance of making a career in this field. Accounting software is trendy today and many people are working on it. And there is a good opportunity to getting a job offers on it, and you can earn good money. Even you can maintain your own business after learning Tally. And you can get job various field like account executive, junior accountant, data entry operator, account trainee, tally operator, account assistant. As a fresher, you can begin your career. So it is only 2 months duration. So today only come and join our institution and learn Tally Prime and gain more knowledge in accounting. After completion of this course, you will get ISO certified in the name of CAD NEST. Thank you. Bye bye.